Next question is question number 96. A die is thrown 6 times. So here total number of trial is 6. If getting an odd number is a success, what is the probability of 5 success, at least 5 success, and at most 5 success? So here now I will directly write n is equals to 6. Total number of trials are 6. Your success is odd number, getting an odd number. Okay. So P is equals to 3 by 6. Probability of odd number in one throw of die is 3 by 6. So P is equals to 1 by 2. P is 1 by 2. So Q is equal to 1 minus P. That is 1 minus 1 by 2. So that is also 1 by 2. Now our formula is P of x is equals to x is equals to NCx P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. N is 6. P is 1 by 2. So that is equals to 6cx 1 upon 2 raised to 6. 1 upon 2 raised to 6. Now, in the first question, it is said that 5 success. So we have to find P of x is equal to 5 for 5 success. So that is equal to 6c5 into 1 by 2 raised to 6. 6c5 is equals to 6c1. 6c1 is 6 upon 2 raised to 6. So that is 3 upon 2 raised to 5 is 32. So answer is 3 by 32. Second question, at least 5 success. At least 5 success means x is greater than or equal to 5. So that is equal to P of x is equal to 6. Sorry, x is equals to 5 or x is equal to 6. When you substitute x is equal to 5, it is 65 into 1 upon 2 raised to 6. And when you substitute x is equals to 6, it is 66 into 1 upon 2 raised to 6. So 1 upon 2 raised to 6 is common. 65 and 61, that is 6. And 66 is 1. So answer is 7 upon 2 raised to 6 is 64. 2 raised to 6 is 64. So 7 by 64. Third, at most 5 success. Means that is equals to P of x less than or equal to 5. At most 5 means maximum is 5. So it can be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So you have to find 6 probabilities total for x equal to 0, for x equal to 1, for x equal to 2, for x equal to 3, for x equal to 4 and for x equal to 5. So instead of finding this much probability, what we will do? We will find 1 minus P of x is equals to 6. Because when you throw a die 6 times, then odd number can become at 0 time, 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5 and 6. આમાંથી એક જ થશે. Means total probability of all of this is 1. Now you need a probability of this many numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only x is equals to 6 is not come. So we will find probability of x equal to 6 and subtract from the 1. So 1 minus p of x is equal to 6. So that is 1 minus 6 is 6 into 1 upon 2 raised to 6. So 1 minus 1 by 64. So answer is 63 by 64. Next question, question number 97. A pair of dice thrown 4 times. Pair of dice thrown 4 times. Means first time pair of die throw करवानी, second time pair of die throw करवानी, third time and fourth time. So here experiment is not a throw a die. Here experiment is throw a pair of dice. Okay. If getting a doublet is considered a success, find the probability of 2 success. So here success is getting a doublet. Success is getting a doublet. Okay. So when you throw one time die, when you throw one time pair of dice, then what is the probability that doublet will come? So it is 6 by 36. તમે જ્યારે pair of dice throw કરશો, So total outcomes are 36, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, up to 2, 6. Similarly, up to 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. In that, doublets are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6. Okay. So for one experiment, our probability of success, that is we called P. P is equal to 6 by 36. So that is 1 by 6. E is 1 by 6. So Q is equals to 1 minus P. That is 1 minus 1 by 6. So that is 6. Okay. And here x is equal, first we will write the formula of P of x is equals to x. That is NCx P raised to x, Q raised to n minus x. So here n is 4. We have to throw pair of dice 4 times. So n is equals to 4. 4cx, your P is 1 by 6 raised to x, Q is 5 by 6 raised to 4 minus x. So that is 4cx 5 raised to 4 minus x divided by 6 raised to 4. Now you have to find the probability of two success. So now we have to find P of x is equal to 2. I have આ રીતના અલગ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન ની પહેલા ડાયરેક્ટ અહીંથી P of x equal to 2 સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરો તોય ચાલે. પણ જ્યારે એક કરતા વધારે x equal to માટે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું હોય ત્યારે શું કરવાનું કે પહેલા આ ફોર્મ્યુલા ફાઇન્ડ કરી લેવાની કે P of x is equal to x ની સિમ્પલ ફોર્મ્યુલા. તો દર વખતે મારે આ બે સ્ટેપ સિમ્પ્લિફાય ના બધા સ્ટેપમાં બચી જાય ડાયરેક્ટલી આ સ્ટેપ થી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન સ્ટાર્ટ થાય. અહીંયા એક જ ક્વેશ્ચન છે એટલે આ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરો કે ડાયરેક્ટ x equal to 2 સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરો કોઈ ચેન્જ નહીં કરે બરાબર. So that is 4c2 into 5 raised to 4 minus 2 is 2 upon 6 raised to 4. 4c2 is 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1. 5 square is 2 into 5. That is 6 into 6 cube. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. So answer is 25 upon 260. 25 upon 260. Next question. Question number 98. There are 10% defective items in a large bulk of items. Means total જેટલી પણ items હોય either it is 100 or 200 or 500. Out of that 10% are defective. Means if 100 items are there, then 10 is defective. If 500 items are there, then 50 items are defective. What is the probability that a sample space of 10 items will include not more than one defective item? Sample space of 10 items means we have to trial on only 10 items. So here 10 is equal to n. Sorry, n is equals to 10. Now, if I select any one item from there, then what is the probability that it is a defective? Its chance are 10%. So P is 10 percentage. 10 percentage means 10 by 100. So that is 1 by 10. P is 1 by 10. So Q is 1 minus 1 by 10. So that is 9. Okay. Now you have to find the probability that 10 items will include not more than one defective item. Success is defective item. Barabar. Here success is defective item. Probability શું find કરવાની કીધી છે કે not more than one defective item means P of x less than or equal to 1. Not more than 1. એમાં કીધું છે ને not more than 1 means it is P of x less than or equal to 1. So we have to find P of x is equals to 0 as well as P of x is equals to 1. Means addition of these two. So for formula x is equals to 0, NCx, so that is 4C0. અહીં પેલા ફોર્મ્યુલા બનાવી લો ડાયરેક્ટ x ની વેલ્યુ સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરવાની. Here P of x is equals to x is equal to NCx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So my n is 10, c x, p is 1 by 10, x, q is 9 by 10, 10 minus x, so that is 10 cx, 9 raised to 10 minus x divided by x plus 10 minus x, so that is 10 raised to 10. Okay, now I have to find the probability of not more than one item defective. Means either 0 item will be defective or 1 item will be defective, means p of x is equals to 0 plus p of x is equal to 1. When you substitute x is equals to 0, that is 10c0, 9 raised to 10 upon 10 raised to 10, plus when you substitute x is equal to 1, means 10c1, 9 raised to 9 upon 10 raised to 10. So 9 raised to 9 upon 10 raised to 10 is common. 9 raised to 9 upon 10 raised to 10 is common. 10c0 is 1. 9 raised to 9 commonly, the here it is 9 raised to 10. So there is 1 9 remaining, plus common 10c1 is 10. Answer is 10 plus 9, 19 into 9 raised to 9 upon 10 raised to. That is your next question. 99. 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. How many cards we have to select? 5 cards. 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement from a deck of 52 cards. So here n is equal to 5. We have to select 5 cards. So n is equal to 5. Then in each question, probability is asking for 5 cards are of spades, only 3 cards are of spades, none is spade. Means બધા માટે probability તમને શેની પૂછી છે તો કે spade card ની. So here success is spade card. Here success is spade card. Okay. So when I select any one card from 52 cards, then what is the probability that it is a spade card? So total number of spade cards are 13 and total cards are 52. So here p is equal to 13 upon 52. So that is 1 by 4. So q is equals to 1 minus p, 1 minus 1 by 4. So that is 3 by 4. Now we are making formula for p of x is equals to x. That is ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. My n is 5, cx, p is 1 by 4 and q is 3 by 4. So that is 5cx, 3 raised to 5 minus x, 4 raised to x plus 5 minus x. So that is 4 raised to 5. The first question, all 5 cards are of spades. All 5 cards are spades. Means we have to find p of x is equal to 5. So when you substitute x is equals to 5, that is 5c5 into 3 raised to 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, upon 4 raised to 5. So that is 1 upon 4 raised to 5. Answer is 1 upon 4 raised to 5. 4 raised to 5 is 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10 means it is 1024. Second question. Only 3 cards are spades. Only 3 cards are spades means number of success is 3. So we have to find p of x is equal to 3. So that is 5c3 into 3 raised to 5 minus 3, that is 3 square upon 4 raised to 5. 5c3 means 5 into 4 into 3 upon 3 into 2 into 1, 3 square upon 4 raised to 5. 3 3 cancel. 2 2s are 4. So that is 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 9. Okay, 3 square 9, 9 5 is 45. And here 1024 by 2. So that is 512. So answer is 45 on 512. Sorry, 95 on 512. Oh, 95. There is a printing mistake, I think. Answer is 45 upon 512, not 95. And question number 3. None is paid. Means here number of success is 0. None is paid. આપણે success સેને લીધું છે કે spade card select થાય. તો એક પણ spade card select નો થવો જોઈએ, means number of success is 0. Means we have to find p of x is equal to 0. So that is 5c0 into 3 raised to 5 minus 0 is 5 upon 4 raised to 5. So 3 raised to 5, that is 9, 27 into 343. Sorry, 243 upon 1024. So answer is 243 upon 1024. Okay. Next question. Question number 100. Under question homework ma, the probability that a bulb produced by a factory will fuse within 150 days of use is 0.05. Find the probability that out of 5 bulbs, none will be fused in 150 days, not more than one, and at least one. Okay. So here P is 0.05. So Q will be 0.95. We have to find probability out of 5 bulbs, means n is equal to 5. And x is very in every question. In first question x is equals to 0. In second question x is equals to 0 and x equal to 1, means 0 x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1. In third more than 1 means 2 3 4 5. If 2 3 4 5 ની probability find ન કરે 1 માંથી ઓલા બે ની subtract કરવાના છે. And at least 1 means 1 2 3 4 5. 1 minus p of x equal to 0. That question you can do easily. Question number 100 is in homework. Question number 101. A bag contains 10 bulbs, each marked with digits 0 to 9. If 4 bulbs are drawn successively with replacement from the bag, what is the probability that none is marked with 0? None is marked with 0. જેની probability find કરવાની કીધી હોય ને એને જ p લઈ સક્સેસ લઈ લેવાય. પછી ભલે એમાં none of કીધું હોય તો એવું નહીં કે none of marked with 0 તો આપણે સક્સેસ લઈ લઈએ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. એમાં મિસ્ટેક થવાના ચાન્સ રહેશે. થાય ખરા એમ, but generally જેની probability પૂછી હોય ને, આ probability શેની પૂછી છે, નંબર ભૂલી જાવ. probability એમ કીધું છે કે what is the probability that none is marked with 0. નંબર ભૂલી જાવ, none with ભૂલી જાવ, mark with 0 ની probability find કરવાની છે. So my success is mark with 0. Okay, so here total we have to 4 bulbs are drawn successively out of 10 bulbs. So here n is equal to 4. Here n is equal to 4. And my success is selected bulb marked with 0. Selected bulb marked with 0. So P is equal to total there are 10 bulbs. Out of that, one bulb is marked with 0. So P is equals to 1 by 10. P is 1 by 10. So Q is equals to 1 minus P. So that is 1 minus 1 by 10. So that is 9 by 10. Okay. Now P of x is equals to x. What is the formula for P of x is equals to x? So that is NCx P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. So my n is 4. P is 1 by 10. Q is 9 by 10. So that is 4cx 9 raised to 4 minus x upon 10 raised to 4. Now question is none is marked with 0. Probability of means number of success is 0, none, કોઈ પણ બલ્બ 0 માર્ક કરેલો ન હોવો જોઈએ. The number of success is 0. P of x is equals to 0. So it is 4c0 into 9 raised to 4 on 10 raised to 4. So answer is 9 raised to 4 upon 10. Answer is 9 raised to 4 upon 10. Okay. Next question. Question number 102. In an examination, 20 question of true false types question are asked. Suppose a student toss a fair coin to determine his answer to each question. If the coin was head, he answered true, else he answered false. Find the probability that he answered at least 12 questions correctly. હવે એનો આન્સર એ ટ્રુ કા ફોલ્સ ટીક કરે છે પણ એનો આન્સર સાચો છે કે નહીં ખબર નથી કારણ કે એ તો કોઈન ઉપરથી નક્કી થાય છે. તો મીન્સ ઇટ ઇઝ અ વન ટાઈપ ઓફ ગેસિંગ કે ગેસ કરે છે આન્સર આઈધર ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ. તો આન્સર સાચો હોય, આન્સર ઇઝ કરેક્ટ, પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઓફ ધેટ ઇઝ 1/2. જ્યારે તમારી પાસે બે જ ઓપ્શન હોય અને તમે રેન્ડમલી સિલેક્ટ કરો બેમાંથી કોઈ એક ઓપ્શન, તો એ આન્સર તમારો સાચો થાય ની પ્રોબેબિલિટી કેટલી થાય? તો 1/2. ઓકે, સો હિયર ટોટલ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આર 20. n is equals to 20. Success is he marked answer correctly. He marked answer correctly. Okay. So here p is 1/2. P is 1/2. So p is also 1 minus 1/2. 1/2. Now question is find the probability that he answer at least 12 answers correctly. At least 12. પહેલા આપણે p of x is equal to x ની ફોર્મ્યુલા બનાવી લઈએ. P of x is equals to x, that is ncx t raised to x q raised to n minus x. So my n is 20, p is 1 half, q is 1 half raised to 20 minus x. So p of x is equal to x is 20cx into 1 upon 2 raised to 20. 1 upon 2 raised to x plus 20 minus x, 2 raised to 20. Now we have to find the probability of at least 12 answers are correct. Means that is p of x equal to 12 plus 13 plus 14 up to x equal to 20. So that is 20c12 into 1 upon 2 raised to 20 plus 20c30 into 1 upon 2 raised to 20 plus 20c40 into 1 upon 2 raised to 20 up to 20c20 into 1 upon 2 raised to 20. So from each term 1 upon 2 raised to 20 is common. So into the bracket it is 20c12, 20c13, 20c14 up to 20c. So that is your answer. And simplify કરવાની જરૂર નથી, directly as it is લખશો તો ચાલશે. Next question. Question number 103. Let x as a binomial distribution b, that is a symbol of binomial distribution, b 6/1/2, then so that x is equals to 3 is the most likely outcome. જ્યારે આ રીતના નોટિફાઈ કર્યું હોય ને, it is actually n, p. Binomial distribution ને આપણી જે ફોર્મ્યુલા છે p of x is equals to x ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x, એને બીજી આપણે આ રીતે પણ નોટિફાઈ કરી શકીએ b n, p. તો આ રીતના જ્યારે પણ આવ્યું હોય ત્યારે first number is your n, means here n is equal to 6, n is equal to 6 and p is equal to 1, p is equal to 1. Okay, so q is equals to 1 minus p, that is 1 minus 1/2, that is 1/2. Now what you have to prove? so that x is equals to 3 is the most likely outcome. Okay, so first we will write the formula of p of x is equal to x. So formula for that is ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. N is 6cx into p is 1 half raised to x, q is 1 half raised to 6 minus x. So 6cx into 1 half raised to 6. So 1 half raised to 6 is constant. 1 upon 2 raised to 6. So 1 upon 2 raised to 6 is constant. Means your value of p of x is equals to x is dependent upon 6cx. So for 6cx, maximum value of x is equal to, and the greatest integer function is 6 by 2. 11 standard permutation combination માં આપણે આવી ફોર્મ્યુલા આવી હતી કે for NCR it is when maximum when it is greatest integer function માં n by 2 હોય બરાબર or least integer function માં n by 2 હોય બે ટાઈમે maximum value NCR ની મળે બરાબર મોસ્ટલી n જ્યારે odd number હોય ત્યારે આ બે ફોર્મ્યુલા આવે even number હોય ત્યારે તમે ખાલી n by 2 લખો તોય ચાલે ખાલી n by 2 લખો તોય ચાલે so here it is greatest integer function 6 by 2 so greatest integer function 3 so 6cs is maximum when x is equal to 3 so p is equal to k is also maximum when x is equal to 3 because it is dependent upon 6cx 1 by 2 raised to 6 is constant so it is dependent only on 6cx so આ 6cx x equal to 3 maximum હોય so p of x is equal to x upon x equal to 3 maximum. Next question 104. On a multiple choice examination with 3 possible answers for each of the question, what is the probability that candidate would get 4 or more correct answer by just guessing if there are 5 questions in the paper? मैं तुमने हिंट લખાવું છું ક્વેશ્ચન તમારે જાતે સોલ્વ કરવાનો છે 104 ટોટલ કેટલા ક્વેશ્ચન પેપરમાં ટોટલ 5 ક્વેશ્ચન છે સો n is equal to 5 એક ક્વેશ્ચન સાચો હોય answer of one question is correct any probability is 1 by 3 because on multiple choice examination with possible 3 answers means કોઈ પણ question માં તમારી પાસે 3 answers છે a b c આમાં ત્રણમાંથી એક તમે randomly ટિક કરો તો આન્સર કરેક્ટ હોય એની probability 1 by 3 p is 1 by 3 so p is equals to 2 by 3 okay and you have to find the probability 4 or more correct answer means p of x is equals to 4 or more means greater than or equal to 4 so x is equals to 4 or x is equals to 5 and n 5 છે એટલે x maximum 5 સુધી possible થાય so this you have to find in homework question 104 105 હું કરાવીશ 106 homework 106 homework બસ ત્રણ ક્વેશ્ચન હોમવર્કમાં કરવાના છે ઓકે થેન્ક યુ